stop wasting money on overpriced AI video tools. What if I told you there's one platform that lets you create cinematic videos without limits? Forget complicated, expensive apps. Today, I'm revealing the tool that changes everything. There are countless AI platforms out there. Most charge too much or give limited results. That's why you need to see this. Meet Higgsfield AI, a platform built for creators who want viral, cinematic videos without the struggle. Here's what makes it a game changer. First, you get access to powerful models like WAN 2.5, which can generate stunning videos from just a text prompt or even an image you upload. But the real magic? High-quality lip sync. Most tools get this wrong. Characters look stiff or robotic. Higgsfield fixes that. It creates natural, flawless lip sync that makes your characters feel alive.
The only thing sweeter than Nutella is Margot Robbie.
The output is next level. Imagine your character speaking smoothly with perfect lip sync, cinematic shots, and background music, all generated in seconds. This is the tool creators are using right now to make viral TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Want to try it yourself? Just click the link in the description, you'll see the interface page, and you can start creating your own cinematic videos with Higgsfield AI today. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. First, all you need to do is sign up and log into Higgsfield. Once you're in, let me show you some clips made with the WAN 2.5 model, and trust me, the results are absolutely cinematic. Just look at this. No other AI tool on the market creates videos with this kind of realism and cinematic detail. What you're watching right now was generated in seconds, and it looks like something out of a high-budget film. With Higgsfield, you're not limited to just creating videos. You can add lip sync to your images, apply viral VFX effects like earth zoom, lightning, fire, and more. Use cinematic camera movements that instantly make your content look professional. These features aren't just cool, they're designed to help your content blow up. Add these effects to your TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, and watch your engagement skyrocket.
Nice office, but Mars has better views.
First of all, we'll be working with the WAN 2.5 model for video creation. Once you log in, you'll see the main interface. From here, you can generate unlimited videos quickly and easily. The best part is, you can even start by generating an image from a simple prompt. Just type in any idea you have and Higgsfield will create a stunning image for you. Then, you can convert that image into a video. For this example, I already have an image ready. Let's upload it. This one is of a reporter standing in New York City. I'll paste my prepared prompt into the prompt section, and don't worry, you'll find all the prompts in the description below. Now comes the magic. You can add voiceover lines, and the tool will automatically sync the dialogue to your character's lips with perfect accuracy. You can change or edit the lines however you want, and WAN 2.5 will handle the lip sync for you. Scroll down and select your model. Make sure you pick WAN 2.5. Then set your video duration up to 10 seconds and choose the resolution, either 720p or 1080p. Once you're ready, just click the Generate button. In about 1 to 2 minutes, your cinematic video will be ready to watch. And that's it. You've just turned a simple image into a professional cinematic video using Higgsfield WAN 2.5. So let's preview our final result.
The recent non-stop rain in the city. Well, there he goes.
As you can see, the video looks stunning. The lip sync is absolutely perfect, and the overall quality is cinematic. Now, here's where WAN 2.5 really stands out. Most AI tools only allow you to generate up to 8 seconds of video, and even then, the lip sync feels off. But with WAN 2.5, you get a full 10 seconds, crystal clear 1080p quality, and flawless lip sync every single time. Compared to tools like VEO3, this is on another level. This is why so many content creators are switching to Higgsfield. It's not just about lip sync, it's about creating viral, social media-ready videos that grab attention and boost engagement. And that's how simple it is to create your own viral, cinematic videos using Higgsfield's WAN 2.5. Just upload your template or image, write your prompt, select the WAN 2.5 model, set your video duration, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, your professional-looking video is ready to share anywhere. The best part? WAN 2.5 gives you unlimited generations, so you can experiment as much as you want without worrying about limits. The lip sync is spot on, the video quality is cinematic, and the effects, like earth zooms or smooth transitions, make your content stand out on social media. This isn't just another AI tool. WAN 2.5 is designed for creators like you who want to make viral videos fast, easy, and free. And that, my friends, is the true power of Higgsfield's WAN 2.5. What you just saw wasn't created with expensive film crews, cameras, or studios. It was generated in minutes, powered entirely by AI. From smooth lip syncs to cinematic camera movements, from jaw-dropping VFX to professional voiceovers, this platform is giving creators like us tools that once cost thousands of dollars, now available at our fingertips. But here's the real takeaway. This isn't just about making videos, it's about opening the door to new opportunities. Imagine creating viral TikToks without ever touching complicated editing software. Imagine putting out Instagram Reels that look like they came straight from a movie trailer. Imagine launching YouTube Shorts that captivate millions of viewers, with nothing holding you back. Not price, not skill level, not equipment. Higgsfield gives you that edge. No restrictions, no generation caps, no compromises, just unlimited creativity waiting for you to explore. So here's what I want you to do. Head to higgsfield.ai right now. The link is in the description. Sign up for free and test it for yourself. Try out the WAN 2.5 model. Upload your images or start from scratch with text prompts. Add lip sync, VFX, camera moves, whatever your imagination can think of, and watch your idea transform into a cinematic video in seconds. If this video gave you value, do me a favor. Smash that like button. It helps more creators discover tools like this, and it keeps this channel growing. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because I'll be bringing you more in-depth tutorials, comparisons, and hidden AI gems you won't want to miss. We are living at the start of something big. AI video creation is no longer the future. It's happening right now. And the creators who learn to master it today, they're the ones who will dominate tomorrow. You have the chance to be one of them. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Just dive in and start experimenting. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next amazing video.